intro to this video. So sorry. I don't know where all the footage went. It's lost footage. But we get right into the video and we're getting ready to go to the Queen Mary. So it's Tuesday. Welcome back to Tuesday. We got the club going up.
Tuesday. It's Cody K. Kellis. No need to talk cause your boyfriend jealous. She say that I'm selfish. Ain't no need to get mad when
Okay, guys, we're back. These are the makeups. We're gonna do fit check. Hold on, let's turn it. Okay, these are the fit checks. I'm gonna wear just Vans with these because I was gonna wear sandals, but nobody has white nail polish, and I can't find mine. So fits. I need to tie this in the back because it's too long because it's not mine, but it's gonna go in a bow. And that's about it. And then Jazz just looks 2000s Y2K, but her hair is 4th. And I have clips that I'm gonna try to put in her hair if she lets me. Shut up. If she lets me, I'm gonna try to put in her hair. Okay, I think we're gonna try to match her shirt. That's normally what I do. I match the shirt, but her hair's red, so it's kind of hard to work with. I'm not gonna. Oh! I'm so glad I'm not live.
Was that live?
No. Oh, good.
I like it.
Yeah, USA. Okay, fit check from Auntie G.
I was going like blue, red, blue.
Well, I
red,
wanted
white,
to,
blue.
but here. It's kind of. I could try the blue, red.
Oh, look, this one.
Oh, my
It's this
shoes.
one.
I got my shoes.
Okay, here, hold. I'll try this one. I'll try both. I'll try first to match your shirt, and then I'll try this one. Okay. Okay, these are the red, white, blue. We're gonna try this first, just so she could be a little patriotic.
America.
Hashtag America. Okay, actually, you can fix these after I do them though, cause like it's hard to put these in other people's head, you know. It's kind of hard because you already have red, so it's like, oh, these need to go like up, but you can fix them. I like to put them at an angle. I feel like squishing your head. Alright, do this. Hi vlog, we're also vlogging on YouTube. Red, white, blue.
Wait, there's a post.
Wait, I can't see.
I'm probably gonna get you when you are off guard, because I look better.
Wait a damn minute. What?
when I was off guard.
I kind of like the red, white,
The red,
blue.
white, blue, so you're patriotic. It is hot, but I have my jacket just in case it gets warm. I threw this necklace on. Guys, there's a little prejudice here, I'm not gonna lie. We're taking stairs. What happened? We over here marching. Okay, this is the Archive Museum. There's like a lot of people in here.
Do you have any questions about this glorious ship? This is the man to see. Oh, I do also see down below there, Captain James is here as well, ladies and gentlemen.
Where's Captain James?
Also, Lauren, Blossom, Harvey,
Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to vlog. just checked out for 2012. Oh wait, I'll do. Here, give me. We're in a tranquility room where you're supposed to silence your phone. And there's jet skiing up there. Anything? Like mining for gold?
No, it's like one of the aesthetic things and you like.
Oh, level it.
What we doing?
Embarrassing. Call it